That's two. I'm sorry? Oh, yeah. Yeah, this is great. I got it down. And is it two from your name? Okay, great. Yeah, yeah.
That's supposed to be an extra photo.
Okay. I was like, ask for a stamp. Yeah, perfect. I'll type it up and I'll get a stamp on it and mail it out for you.
Okay, cool.
Can you explain to us what's going on here? Where are we today, and what is he typing a letter?
Hi. Okay, we're at the Hollywood Farmers Market, and this is a, what is it? Farm to type instead of farm to table. So today I got to write a letter to my parents, and he is going to put it on a postcard with his typewriter and then send it to them for me. He also gave me this fortune that I got to pull. And my fortune says, a good speech, if brief, is good twice over. So.
Okay. And do you want to promote anything, your socials or your business or whatever?
Sure. I'm here this week traveling with Sweat Theory in Hollywood. I'm a yoga teacher there and fitness instructor. So we'll be having events all week this week, and you can check me out on Instagram at mads_Medisha for more fitness content and yoga content.
What do you tell the people that are out there that aren't exercising, that are just watching Netflix after work? How can they change their lifestyle like in a snap of a finger?
The snap of a finger, it doesn't really work that way, but any movement is better than none, and that's what I will always say.
That's great. Okay, thank you. And sir, can you tell me what you're doing here?
Yeah. My name's Richard, and I'm typing up postcards for people here at the market. People come give me a little message and pick out an old postcard they like, and then we send it out in the mail to whatever loved one they want to send it to.
Are you a writer?
I am not. I just like spreading positive messages, and this is a great way to do it. So I love coming to the farmers market and meeting new people.
Okay, and what are your socials if people want to find you?
I am Farm to Type on Instagram.
Very cool. Cool idea.
Thank you.
Are you going to type this right now? Can I record the sound of you typing?
Absolutely, yeah.
Are you actually typing, or is that gibberish? Oh, yeah? Oh, yeah. All right.
Is this your coffee?
Yeah, but to grab it after I will give you your money.
Thank you so much. I really
Thank
appreciate
you.
it.
I'll see you around. We'll follow you on social.
All right, cool.
Thank
I hope
you.
you find great stuff.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
All right.